Hello, my name is Manu and welcome to another episode of Boat Hoarders. So I got this wooden rowboat. In the summertime I went into the Puuveneen vuoksi event. Link over here. And I got into talks with a fellow wooden boater, Pentti. He's the captain of Larsson, and I told him that I've always wanted to have a wooden rowboat. We now have the fiberglass rowboat as a dinghy on Tyrsky, but it would be cooler to have a wooden one over there. So Pentti told me that he had a few years earlier gotten this wooden rowboat that needs a little bit of fixing, and we decided that after the boating season is over, we're gonna go check the boat out, and we did, and here it is. But when I went to pick it up, we both noticed that the boat wasn't actually in salvageable condition anymore. Why is that? Well, first of all, the stern of the boat, you can see here that it is quite rotted out over here, so it's turned into dirt already, and then there's this one plank on the top that has gotten some damage into it. But those are the smaller problems of the boat. Both of those could be still repaired, but the bigger issue is that there's quite a lot of cracked frames, like this one and that one over there, and a few on the front also. And here's one. Yeah, and besides of those, there's also cracked planks on the boat. So there's at least there's a big one. It has now swollen just a little bit. It has been outside for several weeks, but it still doesn't hold water. That's a good sign. That one's cracked, that one's cracked, that one's cracked, that one's cracked, and this one is cracked. So it would need at least 6 planks replaced on the bottom, and that's quite a big job for a boat like this. So it would be basically easier to build a completely new boat than to repair this one. But yeah, but I still wanted it, and Pentti actually gave it to me, so thank you very much for the boat. It is still needed, but not for boating. It's gonna get a new life in my sister's garden. She has always wanted to have a wooden rowboat in her garden where she can plant some flowers and vegetables and stuff like that, and it's gonna be quite pretty over there. So I got it, and today I'm gonna deliver it to her. But yeah, not every wooden boat is salvageable, or there's no sense in salvaging them. If this would be some classic boat from 100 years back, there would be some reason to do it, but this is just a regular rowboat that has no specific history. So we're gonna give it a new life in a different form. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this boat. I got it, but I'm not gonna keep it. Maybe some other boat some other day. But that's not all for this episode. We did pick up Tyrsky from the water something like a week and a half ago. I haven't still had any time to prep it for the winter, and now we're gonna go to the barn and start the prep for Tyrsky. So see you there. Okay, we are in the boat, and so far it seems like everything's in quite good order. You see the cockpit over here, and we're gonna go down into the cabin where it's very dark. Let's see the light. So there's all the pillows and mattresses and stuff like that we need to take care of, and also I'm gonna put the batteries into charge. It's good to do it this time of the year. It seems already that the charge has dropped into 52% in the batteries of the boat. There's something that drains the batteries out. I'm not sure. It might even be this solar panel charge controller that drains the battery, because there's nothing else that it basically could be. It has drained it from 100% into 52 in just 1.5 weeks of not using the boat. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna leave the battery into the charger. I always carry this small charger with me. Of course, I need to find out if I can get the electricity into the barn arranged, because I cannot charge the batteries without electricity. So I think I'm gonna end the video over here and just start to work on this stuff over here, and basically I'm just gonna carry stuff away from the boat right now, and next week we are gonna come back and put all the antifreeze into the exhaust pipe and drain all the water from the bilge of the boat, and stuff like that. Maybe arrange some tarps on top of the boat, because there's leak on the ceiling of the barn, and I don't want all the water draining on top of the boat. So that's also one thing we need to do, and of course some cleaning up needs to be done. So I'm gonna pick all the floorboards away from the boat, and I'm gonna vacuum all the garbage out from the bilge. But yeah, that's next episode. This episode was about the rowboat that I'm gonna deliver to Anna, and then just to get this process started. So not too much action on this episode, but we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and hope you like the video, and please like, comment, and subscribe for the videos. Although the boating season is pretty much over, there's some stuff still to come before I wrap it for this boating season and this Tyrsky YouTube season. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! There it is. That's the spot for it for the rest of its life.